Welcome to our tutorial on how to post a video on X, specifically on Twitter. Follow these simple steps to share your video with your followers. To get started, open the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, look for the plus icon at the bottom of the screen and tap on it. This will allow you to start a new post. Next, you will have the option to either go live or select a pre-recorded video from your device. If you choose to post a pre-recorded video, tap on the photo option to select the video from your gallery. After you have selected the video you want to post, make sure everything looks good and then tap on the post button at the top right corner of the screen. This will upload your video to Twitter for your followers to see. And there you have it. That's how you post a video on X app using Twitter. It's a quick and easy process that allows you to share your videos with your followers in just a few simple steps. Thank you for watching, and we hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. See you next time.